Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Market Update for August 30th, 2015. Okay, in front of us we have a chart of the euro currency, and euro is still within a broad trading range. As we can see, the range is between 115 here, 115, 116, and the lower end of this range is at the 105 level. Now, we have been in this range for quite a number of months, and when this range actually does break in either direction, we could get a fairly significant move in the value of the euro versus the US dollar. We entered this range roughly in the boundaries were established between February 2015 and March 2015. Yes, we went up higher here in August, September, also in May, June of 2016, but we're still in this range. Now, if you follow the path of this range, we tested the upper boundary, we came down close to the lower boundary, we went back up, tested the upper boundary, retested, and now we're looking like the market could be heading to the downside. Now, the key to this area or the move to the downside is if the market can break below this 110, 109.50 area of support. Let me just make it a bit bigger. If we can get below this 109.50, 109 area, I will say that the market will go down and retest this 105 area or so at the bottom of the trading range. So that is what we have to be paying attention to with the euro currency. Yes, things may seem a bit quiet, but some good moves can still be made even when the markets are moving relatively sideways. Taking a look at the British pound, since we had that major breakdown in the Brexit, market moved down, and we have now entered a triangle. And from the lessons of technical analysis, it states that once we enter a triangle in a downtrend, the market more than likely will continue in the direction from which it came. So what we could see is a break below this 128 level and a continued move to the downside with the British pound. Will it move to the downside definitively? The answer is no. There is probably 80% chance or so of it moving to the downside. Taking a look at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, similar situation. And because the US dollar is in a trading range, you'll find that a lot of currencies themselves have entered a trading range. And we can see that with the value of the Australian dollar versus US dollar. See, I'm just cleaning up the chart here. This is a broader triangle on the daily chart. Market is in a trading range. This is a 4-hour chart. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the view of the 15-minute chart. We had a huge swoon down from the 77 level all the way to 75.20. What we're looking for in the Australian dollar is which direction it will break out of this range. Will it move to the upside, or will the market break below this triangle and continue to the downside? And this is what we have to wait and see. But just remember, these support and resistance points by these trend lines are very important. As you can see, the market tested this upper trend line, went down, tested it again here, and is going down. So we could look for some support at this lower end of the trend line. Looking also at the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar still in fairly tight ranges. Just clean up this chart. And there. Canadian dollar, you could say, is in a triangular consolidation pattern. And we're looking to see which direction this market will break. So things may seem quiet. We're coming off of a quiet August period. Oftentimes in the past we have fairly hectic periods in August, but this month was fairly calm. So we could be looking for increased activity into uh, the September period, and you just have to keep an eye out because these markets can move very unexpectedly. Taking a look at the gold market, we are in from the December low, the low that was made here in December. We are in a broader uptrend, and what we could be seeing here is a pullback. We could get a pullback into the 1280 down to 1250 level in gold, and if that does happen, that could be a fairly good point to make some buy decisions. Forex income system members, you'll be getting an alert if that actually happens with the portfolio. Other final market we're going to look at is the value of the Japanese yen, and the Japanese yen has entered a downward triangle. This is probably one of the best trending currencies all year from 2016, where I've had a steady series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and that signifies a downtrend. Now we have now entered a triangular consolidation pattern, as you can see here. And normally, as I said, with the British pound, the market normally resolves itself in the direction from which it entered the triangle. So it entered the triangle in a downtrend. We could see a situation where the market will exit this triangle in a downtrend. We just have to wait and see and for what's happening. Our Forex income system members should be short this market already be short this market in anticipation of a move to the downside. So that's definitely something we'll be keeping an eye out on. Okay, so essentially that is a broader outlook on the currency markets and what's happening with the currencies. We have here at Aces Trading, we have been receiving quite a number of requests to keep up these market updates. So what we'll be doing is bringing you these market updates on a more regular basis because folks just want to get an update as to what is happening in the currencies and what opportunities are out there. And I believe that this is something because of the number of requests, this is something that we can definitely accomplish for you guys. So keep an eye out on these regular updates. Now, Forex income system members, you will see below this video a portfolio and the most recent trade alerts that we have issued, and it should be below this video. And we have some new alerts coming up shortly in the euro currency, especially. So keep an eye out on that. We could get another alert this week in the euro for the Forex income system members. If you would like some more information, if you are not a Forex income system member, you like some more information on just our investing and our trading philosophy, this trend trading philosophy, what you can do is click below this video and you can sign up for a free webinar that lays out exactly our investment philosophy and how we actually trade, capturing these large trends in the Forex market. So that should be very beneficial for you. So click on the link below to sign up for the webinar. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.